So today, you'll learn how to restore deleted projects in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then once you're on this screen, you want to click on the trash option. So ensure that you're on the home screen, then click on trash. Once you've clicked on trash, you should see all the deleted projects within the last 30 days. If your project has already eclipsed the 30-day period, then it's been permanently deleted. However, if it's still before the 30 days and you want to restore it, it's very simple. All you need to do is simply locate it in this list. So for example, if I wanted to restore this singular project, I can just click on this circle right here. And then you should see this pop-up appearing saying one selected. And then you just want to click on restore right next to it. Once you've done that, you should see the project reappear in your projects section. If you want to restore multiple projects, just use the same option to select them like that. And then once you've selected them, click on restore and the projects will be restored onto CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.